Hello, and welcome to another episode of Wildlife Crystal. I'm your host, Wildlife Crystal, a wildlife specialist. Today, we are going to be learning about our animal of the day. I'm here with my very special co-host, the one and only Kaia the Koala.
Hi, everyone. I am so excited to learn about our animal of the day. Can you give us some clues, Crystal?
All right, Kaia, get ready for this one. I'm going to give you 5 clues, and I want you all to try and guess which animal we're talking about today. All right, here we go. Clue number 1, this animal is often mistaken for a dog, but is actually more closely related to a cat. Clue number 2, they have a strong bite, one of the most powerful in the animal kingdom. Number 3, they are famous for the laughing sound they make. And number 4, they live in groups called clans. And clue number 5, they are expert scavengers, but also skilled hunters. Okay, guys, everyone try and guess. I'll give you 5 seconds.
I know this one. It's the hyena.
That's correct, Kaia. Our animal of the day is the hyena.
Awesome. Hyenas are so interesting. Can you tell us more about them, Crystal?
Of course. Hyenas are some of the most misunderstood animals in the wild. Many people think they're just scavengers who steal food from other animals, but they are actually amazing hunters too. They are strong, smart, and live in complex social groups.
That's really cool. But wait, you said they are related to cats? They kind of look like dogs.
I know, it's surprising, but hyenas are actually more closely related to cats and mongooses than to dogs. Even though they have a dog-like body, their behavior and skull structure is more like a cat.
Wow! And you mentioned they have a really strong bite? How strong is it?
Great question. Hyenas have one of the strongest bite forces of any land animal, stronger than a lion's. Their jaw can crush bones, which helps them eat every part of their food, including the bones and marrow. This makes sure nothing goes to waste.
That's amazing! No wonder they are such good survivors. But wait, what about their laughing sound? Why do they laugh?
Ah, the famous hyena laugh. Their laughter is actually a way of communicating. Hyenas make different sounds to talk to each other, and their giggles can mean excitement, nervousness, or even frustration. The pitch and length of their laugh can tell others if they found food or if there's danger.
That's so interesting. So they are really social animals, right?
Absolutely. Hyenas live in large family groups called clans, which have up to 80 members. In a hyena clan, females are the leaders. They are bigger and stronger than the males, and they make most of the important decisions for the group.
Whoa, that's different from lions or wolves. How do they work together in their clan?
Hyenas are cooperative. They hunt together, protect their territory, and even take care of each other's young. Their teamwork helps them take down large animals like zebras and wildebeest. And when they scavenge, they are smart enough to wait for the perfect moment to grab food from other predators.
That's so clever. What type of hyenas are there?
There are 4 types of hyenas: the spotted hyena, the striped hyena, the brown hyena, and the aardwolf. The spotted hyena is the most famous one, the one with the strong bite and the loud laugh. Striped and brown hyenas are quieter and a little more solitary. The aardwolf is the smallest and eats mostly insects.
Wow, I didn't know there were different types. Do they all live in the same place?
Not exactly. Hyenas are mostly found in Africa, but some, like the striped hyena, can also be found in parts of the Middle East and India. They live in all kinds of places, from grasslands to deserts, and even the mountains.
That's so cool. But are hyenas in danger?
Yes, unfortunately, they are. Even though hyenas are strong and smart, they still face many threats. Some people hunt them because they believe the myths that hyenas are bad luck. Others kill them to protect livestock. And as humans take more land for farming in cities, hyenas lose their homes.
Oh no! That's so unfair! What can we do to help?
Don't worry, we can do a lot to help. The first step is learning the truth about hyenas and sharing what you know with others. Hyenas are important for nature and keep the ecosystem healthy. We can also support wildlife organizations that protect them and their habitats. And of course, always respect all animals, even the ones with bad reputations. And remember, it is up to us, the future generation, to make sure they have a place to live. Let's all work together to make sure that animals and humans live in harmony. Let's always be kind and respectful to every creature on this planet. And now it's question time. Kaia, are you as excited as I am to put the knowledge we learned today to the test?
I sure am.
True or false? Hyenas are more closely related to dogs than to cats. The correct answer is false. Hyenas are actually more closely related to cats. What is a group of hyenas called? Is it A, a pack, B, a clan, C, a herd, or D, a troop? The correct answer is B. A group of hyenas is called a clan. Why do hyenas laugh? Is it A, because they think something is funny, B, to show they are happy, C, to communicate excitement or stress, or D, just for fun? The correct answer is C. Their laugh is actually a way to communicate. You guys did great. Kaia and I have to go, but we will be learning fun facts about another animal next week. See you next time on Wildlife Crystal.
Bye, guys. Toodles. Toodly-doo. See you next week.